What is going on, everybody? Welcome to 2024, and this is going to be a big year. A big year. I'm going to attempt to one take this and kind of give you a little update. Might do these monthly, not really sure, but we got some big things in the works this year that I really want to talk about. So we're just going to jump right into it. First things first, channel direction. I'm really trying to do some different stuff with the channel, which I've attempted in the past. It seems to be doing really well compared to my normal just race footage, and I want to give you guys more than just that on this channel. So yeah, long story short, the direction that I want to take the channel is more so in-depth videos and stuff to benefit not only the RC community as a whole, but give you guys a little inside look at, some behind the scenes action that actually goes on at these races and certain things like with setup and all sorts of stuff like that to further improve. I obviously have started and are continuing the Getting Into RC series. So I'm really trying to bring more light onto the hobby and get some of the new people that have no idea what I'm talking about into the hobby, get some new faces out at the track. And then, further base off of that up until where you can almost watch all my videos and show up to a race, be prepared, know what you're doing, etc. So I really want to be, more useful to you guys on YouTube than I have been. And I want to do a lot of context and, informational filled videos, if that makes sense. So with that being said, as far as club racing and the normal weekly races that we do, it's obviously a lot. I run a business full time, etc. It's a lot of time to get these videos out to you guys as often as we're racing. So with that being said, I'm going to slightly step back, even though we're probably going to produce more content this year than we have in the past, truthfully. I have a lot of ideas in mind. I have a lot of cool things coming up. And I just really want to share all that with you. So any club racing style content that we do film, there's going to be a purpose behind, because obviously it's a more laid back setting where we can actually have fun in front of the camera, kind of give you the rundown of certain things we're doing in that race scenario, kind of have more fun with it, and hopefully it benefits you guys as well. So however, the normal race style videos that we are doing will still continue on the channel, but they're going to be for the regional and up races that we will be in attendance of. We leads us into our next topic. We have a lot of big plans this year. The next race that we will be attending here, the first big race, will be Motorama. We signed up for 8th scale truggy, 8th scale buggy, and 4-wheel drive short course. So I'm really excited for that. It's really going to be a big game changer. We're heading more into the 8th scale realm, more so this year, as you could tell by my other videos. Some of my most popular videos were the bigger 8th scale races that I was in attendance of a couple years ago. So we're going all in this year, and which leads me into my next topic. We actually are thankful enough to have a lot of companies that have stepped on board this year to not only sponsor myself, but the channel as well. So could not be more ecstatic with that. We will this year, the first big one, we have officially signed with the Reedy and factory team development team. So really stoked on that. Obviously, to have some regional AE support at the races and stuff like that as we endeavor into the bigger races and, attempt to just keep improving as we go. So really stoked to have them aboard. We also have, if you've seen my past videos, we've been testing out the Raw Speed tires. I'm really thankful to have Raw Speed tires on board. We are planning on doing some body painting here. We're doing a slightly different scheme this year for the bodies. Don't know what's going to be done in time for Motorama or not. But we also have picked up RC body armor. So hopefully no more cracked bodies. They have a bunch of stuff that will protect your bodies in the long run. So I'm really glad to have them aboard as well. They're helping out and they stepped up slightly, and I'm really glad to have them aboard. Along with a really awesome actual friend of mine that I met through the races, and I was ecstatic when I got the phone call from him that he wanted to be a part of everything we're doing here on YouTube and my RC racing career, if you will. That is Top 3 RC. A local club guy, if any of you guys are at Dirt Runners. George, great dude, has done nothing but help me over the years here through the club races into the more serious stuff. And he's actually starting his very own company where he not only does his normal 3D parts printing, aftermarket parts, CNC custom chassis, machining parts, but he's actually doing full-blown conversions. So if you have any cars that are just sitting around, four-wheel drive buggies in particular, and you want to pick up another class, but your car's manufacturer does not have a mini truggy or a four-wheel drive short course truck in production, you can contact him, top3rc.com, and he'll get you taken care of as well. So I could not be more stoked, to have Reedy, factory team, Top 3RC, the AE support. Everybody along for the ride is awesome. I mean, to be able to do this, and we're going to be obviously traveling a bit more this year, to save money on the expenses is huge, especially when it comes to the car's equipment. So I feel that we have some very reputable brands backing us this year, and it's going to be a big deal. And I feel like, you guys are going to get a lot of knowledge out of the videos now. We're going to learn a lot this year as a channel, and of course myself. And I'm really stoked to bring you guys along. I'm literally ecstatic. Just really thankful for all the companies that have stepped up, and I can't wait to share all the experiences and all the bigger races, on the scene, if you will, this upcoming year. So, a lot of people saw some of my old cars going for sale, stuff like that. I've been asked, I thought you were giving it up. I thought you were getting out of it. And, I'm posting less like club type races and stuff like that, because I obviously race almost weekly. So almost every week. And like I said, I want to focus on the bigger things in RC. I want to touch base with some of you guys, maybe feature some of you guys in some of my videos, do like cool little ideas that I come up with, and give you guys more of a purpose to watch rather than just watching each race that I do, how I finish, etc. So a lot of cool things planned for the channel. I can't wait to share a lot of these things with you, and I will continue to put out the tutorials and stuff like that. Anything that I feel like I am knowledgeable enough to speak on will be up in, right now, I'm just doing that how to get into RC racing series, bare bones basic stuff. We'll probably throw in some comparison videos on its own here and there. So stay tuned for a lot of content. Like I said, there may be a little less racing action that you see on the channel, but you're also going to get a lot more knowledge and more entertainment, I feel like, out of it. So I'm really excited where I'm taking the channel and the companies that are backing me this year. And yeah, guys, welcome to 2024. I hope you had a good holiday. Happy New Year. Make those resolutions happen. I hope you all do. And I'm excited to get the 2024 season kicked off here, guys. So, as always, show your support the best way you can, and it doesn't cost you any money. Hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and leave me a comment. Comment what you think. If you have a video idea, list it below. I'd love to provide that for you, and I'd love to have you aboard and a viewer on this channel regularly. So we're obviously also trying to grow here on YouTube, so your guys' efforts, I can't do it without you. So without you guys, I wouldn't have a platform. So for those of you who have supported me up into this point, I really appreciate it. You guys are the real MVP at the end of the day. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. I'm going to wrap up this video. We'll keep it short and sweet for you. Hope I didn't bore you, and I'm excited to get after it for 2024. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure your notification bells are on. You'll be notified every time I upload. We got a lot of content coming for you guys, so I hope you're ready for it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching as always. Aaron Lasher signing out. Peace.